Last month, WhatsApp started testing a green dot on Android to indicate that a contact is online. The Meta-owned company started testing this feature on iOS as well. This revolution comes from the folks at WA Beta Info, which discovered the development in beta version ending 10.72 of WhatsApp on iOS. If you're a WhatsApp beta user on iOS with the latest app installed, you'll see a small green circle at the bottom right of the contact photo in the contact info screen when the contact is online. This works real time, so the green circle will display when the contact is not online. WA Beta Info reports that the contact info screen opened by tapping the contact photo is the only place the green dot is displayed for now. In our opinion, it will be more useful if it's listed in the chats tab and chat list. It's worth noting WhatsApp applies the same privacy rules to the green dot as it does to the last seen or online status, meaning that if the user has chosen to hide the last seen and online status from others, the green dot will not be visible. The green dot online status indicator features currently beta to some beta users for both Android and iOS. It's unclear when they will release it for the public.